Can you withdraw money from your PayPal account here in Africa directly to your US bank account? And that is a question that a lot of people are being confused about. And I want to break it down for you to understand how these things actually works. Okay, so I got this message from a subscriber, and he said, "Hello, sir. I see most people withdraw using M-Pesa or Equity Bank, but I need to know if I can link a US bank account to a Kenyan PayPal account. I need the funds to go directly to my US bank account. Please, if you have seen this option or tried it, kindly share. I really need this." Yeah, so shout out to SVZ Finance for this comment, and that is actually the main reason why I'm making this video today, to break it down to you about how these things actually works. Okay, so most people use M-Pesa, local banks, but if you want your money to go straight to a US bank account, that is where the things get very tricky. And I want you to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because the last option is actually going to help you a lot. Here's the truth: a Kenyan or any African PayPal account usually do not support a direct withdrawal to a US bank account. Why? Because PayPal accounts are region based. You understand? So your withdrawal options depends on the country where you registered your PayPal account from. So that is why most regions in Africa, they can be able to create a PayPal account for only sending and payment of goods. Okay, and they are not able to send money like those who are using US accounts. Okay, so there is so many limitations and restrictions depending on the region where you registered your account from. Option 1 is for you to open a US or UK PayPal account. But if you are to open a US or UK PayPal account that you can link to your PayPal, that you can link straight to your US bank account or UK bank account, you are going to need a proper US or UK details for verification. Yes. And you know, PayPal is very, very strict. So everything has to align. The same details that you use to create the US or UK PayPal account has to align with the same details of your US or UK bank account. So that is the first option. If you are in Cameroon, if you are living in Cameroon and you have a PayPal, you can be able to withdraw your money directly to mobile money using the Zoom website. Zoom website allows you to withdraw money from PayPal directly to your mobile money, especially if you are in Cameroon. Yes. Now, if you are in Kenya, Ghana, or Nigeria, you can also use the M-Pesa for withdrawal. You can use Payoneer, you can use GigPay, which I already made a video about that, and I'm going to leave the link at the top here that you can follow it and watch on how to create a GigPay account. This GigPay helps you to create a US or UK bank account. And also you can use Noance. Noance helps you to withdraw from PayPal to USDT, then from USDT to your mobile money or your local bank account. So if you want me to make video on any of these options that I have given you right now for withdrawal, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll make a video about that. Most importantly, when you are trying to withdraw from PayPal, you have to be very, very careful. Okay, The reason why you have to be very careful is because do not try shortcuts or fake details when you are trying to withdraw from PayPal, because this will actually get your PayPal account limited or at the same time banned. Okay, so that is all for this video, guys. I will be making a video on how to create a verified PayPal account here in Africa, and I will also make a video on how you can link that PayPal account to your US bank account, like how to do it the right way. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and follow me for more tips like this. Stay blessed.